Hello everyone, it's your boy Winswape here, and in today's tutorials we are going to talk about the container widget. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into it. But first, but first, let's get rid of this one and by bringing a constant in front of this text widget like this. Then let's add much information here just to increase the length of our text widget or of our text. We are just increasing the length of our text by adding this to it. So let's save. Yeah. So we are seeing this data in this is a container. So I want us to look at the container in a way that we want to control the length and the width of our data. So let's say we are having a huge data or we are having a huge text displayed and we just want to cut it off. Yeah, something like that. We want to have control of the data, the length and the width of it. Similar thing also happened to an image. We want to have control with it about the length and the width so that we can size it to make it look much beautiful. For us to do so, we need to use a container widget. Quickly, let's add a container widget to this text widget by using this bulb. So you can use this bulb, click on it, then you select wrap with a container. Or you can delete, let's say you can delete or copy this information. If you need it back, then you have to copy it. You can copy up to the constant like this. Then you will delete it. But let's use this bulb and click wrap with a container. So from here, we have now wrapped our text widget with a container. So now the text widget is a child of this container. So this container, one of the, we can set the height like this to be equal to 50. Let's save and witness the change. So we now have our container missing. Where is it? We will get it back definitely. So let's keep on giving our container more data. So we can also have a width to it, width like this to be something like 50 as well. So it's a squared. Yeah. And we now have this also. So the rest is gone and now we are not having a dot. So let's look at what is happening by giving the container a color. And colors dot blue like this, and let's save. So according to the width and the height that we set for the container, so this is 50 and this is 50 and this is 52 as well. So we are now having a perfect square. So let's increase the height of this container and let's see what will happen. Let's move from 50 to, let's say, 150 and let's save. So yeah, we have now seen an increment in our height. Then let's move this one also to 150 and let's see. So yes, this is it. So this is how we can set the container. So we can increase the height again as well. We can increase the height to be, let's say, 450. And yes, this is it. And this is the 450. As you can see, we can also increase the width to be, so yeah, we're now having the width going across the screen. So we can also increase the width as well to be something like 250. Okay, this one is too much. 250 like this. Yes, this is the container widget. We can add so many properties to this container widget, but I'll just talk about the width, the height, and the length as well. But going deeper, we will talk about so many things in this container widget and to the rest of the widgets as well. But first, let's do some Google search and let's find how we can create this container widget from scratch ourselves. So I'll open my browser, then I'll search for Flutter. Sorry, Flutter. Then this is our site. You get to the docs, the widget catalog. Then we go for the basics, and we have a container here. And even with this container, we even have a video from Flutter's official site, which you can play, listen, and learn more about the container widget. So as you can see, you can do this with the container widget. You can do this and many more. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video where we will dive deeper into Flutter fundamentals. So I see you.